Everyone keeps telling me this AI is going to change everything. So I used it for a full week, for real work, not a demo. And here's the honest truth. Good and bad. No affiliate hype, no pretending. There's one thing it does that genuinely surprised me, and one thing that made me want to close the tab. Stick around. The tool is ElevenLabs. You type text, and it reads it back in a human voice. In fact, the voice narrating this video is it. That's the pitch. So does it live up to the noise? Here's what got me. It cloned a voice from about a minute of audio, and the result was close enough to feel a little uncomfortable. For narration, tutorials, faceless videos, it genuinely replaces hours in a booth. Now the part nobody posts about, ask it to sound truly excited or truly sad, and the mask slips. It's fantastic at calm and clear. It's still not an actor. Real emotion, it fakes badly. And the honest catch, the free tier runs out in a couple of scripts, and the good voices sit behind the paid plan. If you publish a lot, it pays for itself. If you're just curious, you'll hit the wall fast. So the verdict? The hype is about 80% real. It's a genuinely great tool with one clear blind spot. And now you know exactly where it is before you spend a cent. That's the truth on the AI everyone's talking about. The good and the catch. The link is in the description if you want to test it yourself. I only review tools after I've actually lived with them. Follow for the honest version first.